Video tutorial is about how to share parent resources in link format. It's a really nice way to actually share information with families in a concise package, whether that be via the family tab or the family app, rather. So I'm just going to show you from the dashboard. No matter if you're in pre-K or infant toddler twos or whatever program or grade level you are on, but this is to show how you can actually share family information in link format. So home page right here, we start there. That's where we come to the dashboard. I'm going to go to the week view. Now, in order to share this information, you have to have a lesson plan in the dashboard. You have to have resources, rather. So if I look at my resources tab, I'll have all of the resources that are available to me here. So this is a study that I've added. It could be resources that you add if you don't have the online resources. You can share the link. So it must be a link for the creative curriculum resources, whether that be intentional teaching card or your mighty minute like this. So I'm going to go now, since I have the study in the dashboard. I want to go to share resources with families, and that is the last option on the menu section on the left hand side. Once you select share resources with families, you'll see where you have your dashboard or your screen that has your students' names, the days of the week you would like to share, and then here's your teacher message. I always like to remind people that you can edit that and put in whatever you like, right? So I'm just putting that snippet in right here, but wherever you'd like to share, you can copy and paste all of the information here, delete this and put in what you would like. So you can always take this out and share your specific information. Okay, so I'm going to just select one student right now because I want to get this in link format. So select one student, I'll go down and I will select the preview button. Once I preview it, then you'll see all of the resources that are available that was in the week that you selected it from. So here's my teacher message. Here's something to consider and all of the resources that were consolidated for you for the week view. Okay, so now I have this here. Now I want to go to the print button, upper right hand corner. Now you see right here, here's that in a print format. I don't want to print it, although you can if you'd like, but I want to show you how to get it to the link. So I'm going to go to the download button. Here in the download section, I can actually name this. This is my family resources. And then I can put the week that it's for there, the date there, right? So I want to go and put my family resources title, and then I'm going to save that. Now, one thing I would like to tell you, you see this CFM, sometimes that is not recognized by the computer as a recognizable format. So I want it to be a PDF document. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go back to the print button. Under more settings, then I'll have the option to open in PDF format. Now I get the PDF view. And I'm going to save that as well. So now I have my family resources. Then I'm going to put the week that it's for. And I want to make sure that I create it in a PDF format. So I have that box checked here and I'm going to save that. Okay, so I have my family resources. So now all of that is set to go. So now I'm going to go back to the resources page. And I don't need that. So now I have it tucked away for me to add to my family portal or from my family section on my lesson plan. So I'm back in my lesson plan under family partnerships. I'm going to select family partnerships. I want to edit. And then I want to go to the paperclip. Once I select that, it's going to ask me which file I would like to add. Once I click that button on the right-hand side, it takes me up to my desktop where my family resources section is. And now there's my file that's put here. And this is the text that's going to display for me, and I'm going to save that. And here's my neat little resources link to all of the resources for that week. And if I would like to see it in the lesson plan, I simply go back to the lesson plan and ta-da, there it is. So here's all of my family resources that are neatly packaged on my lesson plan right here for me. So the goal is really to use the resources that are in your dashboard, turn that into your family partnership or family resources. And as you all know, if you would like to have that on every day of the week, then you can actually move and copy and bring it over to whatever day you would like to have it. So your link is still the same. You just put your family partnership link right here, move it over and copy it to whatever days of the week you'd like to have that, and save, and off we go. Nice, neat resource package for your families.